Want to achieve salon-quality lash extensions at home? Say hello to the Ardell Seamless Underlash Extensions, the ultimate solution for natural, seamless, and stunning lashes. Designed for up to 10 days of wear, these extensions make enhancing your eyes easier than ever. Inside the box, you'll find everything you need. A variety of lash clusters in lengths from 10 mm to 16 mm, a dual-purpose bond and seal system for long-lasting results, a specially designed applicator for precise placement, and a gentle remover for safe and easy lash removal. Step 1. Apply the bond under your natural lashes, just like mascara. Step 2. Use the applicator to place the lash clusters under your natural lashes for that invisible, natural look. Step 3. Lock it in with the seal to remove any tackiness and keep the lashes in place for up to 10 days. And when it's time to switch up your look, the gentle no-drip gel remover makes it effortless to take the lashes off without damaging your natural ones. With Ardell Seamless Underlash Extensions, you get customizable length, salon-quality results, and unmatched comfort, all from the convenience of home. Grab your kit today and discover the magic of seamless lashes. Love this product? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more beauty tips and product reviews. See you next time!